climb the magical time tower and learn how to read the clock.
This shorthand is the hour hand. It tells us what hour it is. When the shorthand points to 3, it means 3 o'clock.
This long hand is the minute hand. Every number counts by 5 minutes. So when the minute hand points at 3, it's 15 minutes.
When the minute hand points to 6, it means 30 minutes or half past.
Let's solve the time tower puzzles together. Great job! You learned how to read the clock.
See you in the next magical math adventure on Tots Melody House. Come and sing along with us here at the Tots Melody House.